Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see that what you can do, what steps you can perform if the Google Chrome is not opening in your Windows PC. So in case Google Chrome is not opening for you, then what you can do is there are actually two steps that you can perform in this case. So the first step is a usual problem that happens when Google Chrome keeps crashing, and that is a time or a date issue. So usually what happens is when you are connected to the internet, then browsers like Google Chrome know the actual date and time. But in your PC, if your date or time or your time zone is different, then that may cause an issue and the browsers may not work properly. So in that case, what you need to do is just right click where your date and time is showing, go to adjust date and time, make sure that your date and time is actually in the correct time zone. If it is not visible, like in my case it's the correct time zone but it is disabled, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to turn this set time automatically as off, set the date and time manually. I'm just going to click on change and change my preferred date and time. Since it is correct in my case, I'm just going to click on cancel and turn this automatically to on. Similarly, if you want, you can just change the time zone as well. And once you're done, make sure that your time zone, your time is all updated. Okay, then close this window. Next, what we are going to do is just go to the search bar and type in Chrome. Right click and go to open file location. Once you are in this location, make sure Google Chrome is highlighted. If it has some other name like Chrome, Chrome 1 or any other name, just right click and rename it to Google Chrome. GC should be capitals and there should be a single space between Google and Chrome. Then once you have done this, right click and click on open, and then your Google Chrome browser should be opened. So that's it for this video. Thanks for